we are going to talk about another interesting topic which is almost being talked about in the web development and mobile development industry. So it's nothing but user experience versus customer experience. So these two terms go hand in hand, and it's almost thinking like a synonym, or maybe it's close to each other, but there are plenty of differences. So user experience is something more closely related to product design, keeping the UI elements, the testing of the product, and apart from that, how easily people can navigate through the UI. Whereas customer experience revolves around the entire customer journey or the entire value chain, starting from customer onboarding till the customer getting checked out of the product experience. Let's take a small example about user experience. For example, let's say we log in into an e-commerce portal. Most often, we are prone to have the My Account section towards the right-hand top corner, almost every single website. Now, let's imagine you have put it towards the left-hand side bottom corner. It might look a little bit weird. Of course, there are few websites which has at the left-hand bottom, but very often we don't have such a thing. So these are some of the basic UI expectations. Whereas customer experience is completely different. For example, let's say you log in in the same website and you try to purchase a product. Unfortunately, it leads to some banking error or a transaction error. And what you do next, you reach out to the help section. Imagine yourself waiting for someone to help you. And if you don't get it, it is going to give a poor customer experience. That's exactly what is CX all about. It doesn't just start with UI or any other element. It also ends with how well you receive a customer and how well the customer leaves from your product. These are very, very finite things, and more often these days people focus on customer experience. In one of the recent projects where we worked, we had this battle between UI or UX versus CX. Often we vote for customer experience. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to leave UI or UX just like that. It also means that giving a logical meaning to the entire customer journey rather than just focusing on the UI element alone. This gives more credibility, more ownership for your product team towards the customer. It enhances the entire relationship. Apart from these, most of the time customers return to your product or return to your site only if the customer experience, starting from the onboarding till the point he or she leaves, is really, really sweet, and most of them do not come if it's not that good. These are some small tricks and tips which used to enhance the customer experience, and it also leads to return customers, and it also leads to new customers. Because more oftenly, when a customer feels good, he often goes and recommends to his friends, or maybe to his relatives, or maybe to his known circle. Now, if that's the case, then we should really focus on customer experience. UI and UX is definitely the need of that, but it's not the main thing. I would say customer experience is the new terminology, and it's more taking an upper hand compared to the user experience. So let's focus on customer experience along with user experience and make it a successful one. Thank you. See you in the next interesting video. See you soon. Bye bye.